Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I made my pandesal. So we got here a 3 and 1/4 cup of bread flour and 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. We got egg, medium size, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and of course we need some breadcrumbs later, and 2 tablespoons of oil. So that's what all we need for our pandesal. This is now our pandesal, guys, after I let it rise, and now it's ready to go to our preheated oven and ready to bake. There you have it, people. Our pandesal is already cooked, and let's dig in with cheese and coffee.